In this video, you'll learn how to create InSite assignments and add them into your MindTap content. To begin, navigate to the area within your MindTap course where you'd like to add in your InSite assignment. For an example, I'm going to add in the assignment in the Chapter 22 folder. Once you're in the appropriate location, click on the blue plus mark icon that's at the top of the page and choose to add an activity. From the list, choose to add in an InSite activity. Next, you can choose to create a paper assignment or a peer mark assignment. In this video, I'm going to create an example of a paper assignment. So I'm going to select Paper Assignment and click Create New Assignment. I'm going to start by giving my assignment a name and entering the instructions into the text box. You'll indicate how the item should be graded. Is it graded or practice? If graded, enter in the appropriate point value. You can then click on the More Options link to set your paper repository options, your originality report settings, as well as choose how you would like the item to be graded. If you'd like to use a rubric, simply select the rubric from the list. We'll explore how to add in your own rubrics a little bit later in the video. When finished, click Submit. If you'd like to retitle the essay or add in a new description, you can do that here. Within this window, you could go ahead and set your available and due date, and then make sure that you have the InSite assignment set to be delivered to the appropriate location. When finished, click Save. Your InSite assignment is now included within MindTap. Your students will be able to access this assignment and upload their essay into MindTap. Once your students have uploaded their work, you'll be able to come in and grade the essay simply by clicking on the narrative essay listing within MindTap. You'll then see a listing of all of your students' work and can go in and use the grade mark tools in order to score your students' papers. If you'd like to add in your own rubrics or modify existing rubrics, you can do this by clicking on the InSite app that's located on the right-hand side of the page. Here you'll be able to see any assignments that you've already created. And to manage your rubrics, you'll click on the Manage My Rubrics button at the top of the page. The Rubric Manager will load, and you can click on the Table of Contents icon to access any rubrics that you've already created. If you'd like to create a new rubric, simply click on the Create New Rubric listing at the top of the menu, and you can go in and add in your new rubric. You can also import and export rubrics by clicking on the Import/Export icon in the top right-hand corner of the screen. When you're finished creating your new rubric, click Save. This rubric will now appear as an option when you go to create future InSite assignments.